Hi, good morning guys. My name is Rajiv Kumar. Today I am giving the presentation of timetable schedule display in Amadeus. So let's start.
If you want details about the flight from London to Munich at 2 p.m. on August 10, what command will you have to give in Amadeus for that?
You have to put transition code TN, thereafter departure, date and airport and arrival airport and time.
Right. If the departure date is omitted, then the system will show which date information?
System will show today's date information.
Right. If you do not write the time and date in the command, then what the system will display?
सिस्टम विल डिस्प्ले जो फ्लाइट तब आ रही है जो उस करंट डेट का फ्लाइट को डिस्प्ले करेगी.
Right. Now, how many maximum digit flight numbers can have?
4.
Right. If a flight flies 7 days, then what code is used for that?
Particular D code is used.
Right. If you have to come back from Munich to London in the evening of 7 p.m. on 28th August, what command will you give for that?
Transition code TC is used. Thereafter R letter code for return journey and departure date and time.
Right. If the arrival date is omitted, then the system will show which date information?
System will show today's date information.
Right. If you omit the departure time from the command, then the system will show which time information?
System will show midnight time of the date.
Right. What do you mean by neutral flight availability?
इसका मतलब होता है कि जिस फ्लाइट में एक भी सीट खाली हो वो डिस्प्ले करती है वो.
Right. If a semicolon code is used in the flight display, what does it mean?
It means code share flight.
Right. What do you mean by code share flights?
That means airline which have been leased or leased out or sold seat to another airline.
Wrong. If star code is used in the flight display, what does it mean?
It means कि एयरलाइन ने दूसरे फ्लाइट को दूसरे एयरलाइंस को अपनी सीट सेल की है, लीज कर दी है.
Right. If C code is used in the flight display, what does it mean?
That means it's a chartered flight.
Right. What command is used to get the flight information along with the seat availability in the flight?
Transition code AN is used. Thereafter departing date and airport and arrival airport and time.
Right. Which alphabet is used for the first class in Amadeus?
JCD.
Wrong. Which alphabet is used for business class in Amadeus?
JCD.
Right. Which alphabet is used for economy class in Amadeus?
WIS.
Right. Which alphabet is used for discounted economy class in Amadeus?
DHLMQTV.
Right. Which flight has a seat available? What is called in Amadeus?
It's called availability for a timetable.
Right. What command is used to find out the seat availability from an existing timetable?
Can you repeat now?
What command is used to find out the seat availability from an existing timetable?
Transition code TC and AN is used.
Right. Which flights are displayed in the Amadeus availability display?
इसमें एटलीस्ट वो फ्लाइट दिखाती है जिसमें एटलीस्ट एक सीट बाकी हो या तो वेट लिस्टेड हो.
Right. What is the main advantage of a schedule display?
ये वो फ्लाइट दिखाती है इसमें कि कोई सीट बाकी नहीं है और अगर कोई बाकी है तो वो सारी फ्लाइट की लिस्ट इसमें होती है.
Right. What command you will use when you wanted to check flights between two cities on a specified date at the specified time?
Transition code SN is used. Thereafter departing date and city pair and time.
Right. What is the command to be given to get information about a specified flight?
Transition code DO is used and thereafter the flight line number.
Right. If you want to see the flight information of a specific airline, what command has to be given?
Transition code DO is used. Thereafter airline code and thereafter a flight number and oblique and then the date.
Right.
Thank you.